Hello guys, good afternoon and to welcome you again to Daniel the Programmer. In this video, we are going to learn how to solve the error which pops up whenever you delete a project on AWD. The unknown message error with code error that pops up anytime you delete a previous project that you once created and you find it difficult to be able to continue where you left off. So firstly, I want you to go to the AWD IDE. You will see this is a previous project that we worked on and we find difficulty to create a new project. If you come down to the bottom right, you take create project and you want to look for the project location, it will show you unknown message with code VFC. That means the previous directory has not been changed, so the app now redirects to where you end. So firstly, to be able to solve this unknown message error, you first of all go to these three dots below, you go to the settings. In settings, you have general, you have appearance, you have editor, and you have code completion. General is miscellaneous. That's where you are going to be able to click on general and scroll down to your default character encoding. You go to general, then you see below that's that's a fit option. You take default encoding, you change your default encoding to UTF-8. You scroll down, you go to UTF-8. Then from there you make sure that your code has an auto encoding detection, so you'll be able to detect encoding automatically and you know when there are possible errors. You click that. Nextly, you change the default. After you have changed the default encoding to UTF-8, you go now to the bottom right, the three dots, you go to connection management. The connection management helps you to be able to link from your local project to the browser that you're using in your phone. So you take connection management. Now in connection management, you will discover that the local directory is located in storage emulated and coding with Android. And if you go to your phone and you check coding with Android, you discover that that particular folder has been deleted. That is why you cannot create any new project. So you just highlight on what you have, you delete. So now you have no connection that is linking you to your old project which was deleted. Now you take the plus sign and now you can create a new project with its own default good directory and you'll be able to code without any error. So we are going to name it, for instance, sample. Now our address now can be located. You can put your folder anywhere you want. You can probably decide to put it in AWD. Now you see it has a particular address that you can follow, then you start a new project. So now you have a new connection. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment and tap the bell for more notification.